I just got here. I'm at the center. I'm waiting for my tour. I think I got here too early. But it's so much to see, and I will find out. So if you're visiting Ljubljana, certainly you should stop at this open kitchen market. Now that's what it's called, and here you can find food vendors, actually make the food right here and then display, so you can buy and then you can eat. Some of them have tables just right in front of their stand where you can eat, if you want. Now food here is, in my opinion, reasonably priced. You can find food between €7 to €5, €7, 10, just depending on what you want. Now you should try it when you're visiting Ljubljana. From Zagreb this morning, and I'm doing a walking tour of the city. We've been through the old town and then we're here right in the church. So basically what I'm doing is just maybe exploring the town by foot, and then I hope that I can see more things, experience the area, so stay with me. Green, red, blue, yellow, blue, black, red, blue, green, orange, black, red, yellow, blue, green, blue, black,